Hello, everyone. Earlier today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the indigenous people of Biafra, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, was brought to court once again for the continuation of the trial I call irrelevant trial, because this has lingered beginning since 2021 till date. The federal government could not lay hands on anything very tangible to nail Mr. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is what the so-called Buhari and his brothers, they moved hurriedly, they moved in ahead speedily, went to Kenya, kidnapped him. We all know that the North hate Igbos, Yorubas hate Igbos, the Fulanis hate Igbos, because what they stand to gain, just oil and gas. So, and we all know that. Otherwise, they have no reason, they have no business with the Igbo people. Of course, we are not even talking about the kidnapping, the abduction of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu since 2021. They are not even talking about every other case, Operation Python Dance, which they were saying that he ran away, he escaped, he did that. You came to his house to kill him, he survived it, and you're asking him why did he not stay to be killed. That is foolish of the people handling this case. That's why I say the case is irrelevant. So, be that as it may, you could see from every indication, according to them, they want to handle the case behind the scene. That is, they don't want to air it openly. This is what several people have gone to them to discuss that they should, as a matter of urgency, discuss this issue politically, settle it politically, but they refuse, thinking that they could lay hands on anything. The truth of the matter is that federal government of Nigeria has no case against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they know it. They know it very, very well. Right now, they were talking about 2014. They arrested him in Lagos with some computers, some jewelries, and some telephone. That he registered Radio Biafra, which is his right. That he was also talking about self-determination, which also is his right. It is his fundamental right. If he does not want to belong to Nigeria, you cannot force him to belong. It's like divorce. You understand? We all know that the North, the Yorubas, and the West, they are only interested in the oil and gas. And Buhari, with his brothers, they hurriedly went and abducted him just to continue on about their conquest, to take over people's land, to maim and buy people, kill people, take people's land over. This is what they were saying. And being that Mr. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he prophesied, he said everything that they were planning, and everything is right now in the open. Every other tribes have seen what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was crying and shouting about, that people should get ready, that Fulanis are coming to kill them and take over their land. And this is exactly what is going on now. Almost everything he said has come to pass. Almost all. So, and most of those tribes, many of them, they are confused. They are speechless. Many are ashamed. Those who were castigating him, those who were speaking ill about him, they do not know what to say anymore, because they have seen everything happening in their very before, in the open. So what else do you have to say, and what else do you have against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? It is crystal clear that federal government of Nigeria has no case against Nnamdi Kanu. The easiest thing and the best way, what I believe they should do, is leave the gentle man, the honest man, the God-sent man, the Messiah of the Igbo people, to go his way. He has done nothing against the law, against Nigeria, or against any man. So if they want to handle it behind the scene, which we believe nothing is going to come out of it, he has done nothing, he has committed no crime. The only submission we are waiting for is for him to be set free unconditionally, and that is it. Nothing beyond that. He should be freed unconditionally, and he should as well be paid compensation, heavy one indeed, and also, to apologize to him for holding him, taking him away from his family and his children for this long, and for accusing him for having done nothing against the law. So these are what I believe federal government should do speedily to make peace all over, and at the same time to talk about Biafra, because you can see it by yourself that there is no peace between the whole tribes. The Igbo are highly hated by many other tribes, and we the Igbos, we hate them the same time. Anyone that hates us, we hate the person back, and we are not going to stay, fall behind to wait for anyone to come and kill us. If you kill us, we kill you. Without this, there will be no peace. There will be no peace. Igbos have to confirm that they have their peace and they have what they want, and they have all that what they deserve. That is it. Without this, I think Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not accept anything. Nothing. This is all I have got for you. If you watch the video, this is the video of the court proceedings today. Nothing was realized. They pushed the adjournment till 2nd of May for the conclusion of this trial, irrelevant trial I call it. I will see you very soon again to give you the updates. Thank you.